About this item: MFI certified lightning cable. Each cable is built-in MFI chip. No safety warning message pops up when in use. Compact and portable. The total length of this short iPhone charger cable is 1 foot from the USB-A end to lightning end. Compact design allows you to carry it anywhere, and easy to store. 3A fast charge and sync. This short lightning cable supports fast charging, up to 3A, and high-speed data transferring, 480 Mbps. Ionius recommended that you use the original plug or a charger with fast charging function to achieve 3A fast charging. Perfect compatibility. Ionius iPhone lightning cable is fully compatible with iPhone 14/14 Plus/14 Pro/14 Pro Max/13 13 Pro/13 Pro Max/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/12 Mini/11 Pro/11 Pro Pack/XR/XS/XS Max/X/10/8/8 Plus/7/7 Plus/6S Plus/SIXS/6 Plus/5S/5C/5/SE/SE 2020/SE 2022, iPad Pro 10.5 inch /iPad Pro 12.9 inch /Pro 9.7 inch /Pro 2020 /Pro 11 /iPad 7th/6